Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and I'm here with Nick from Milwaukee Power Tools, and they have this terrific pack-out system that you see behind me, but it all starts with the wall plates that are very versatile. And can you describe to people how they install those wall plates?
Yeah, so it's a super easy install with the wall plates. There's pre-drilled holes in them, and we have instructions online. It only takes about 10 screws for the large wall plates to fasten them into drywall, wood, or concrete, and you'll be able to customize the storage with different accessories.
Okay, so Nick, we put the first panel on, and what I did on the layout here, you know, building out the garage, I'm gonna put a cabinet and a counter underneath here. So that's why you see some of the lines here. And what we're gonna end up doing is putting 4 of these panels, 1, 2, 3, 4, kind of as the wall. But you have a recommended pattern when it comes to the screws, right? Can you point that out?
You're gonna wanna do the 4 corners here.
Yep.
This top middle one, and then this W shape right here for this this instance going into the drywall.
Right. I mean, you can do more if you want, obviously, but that's kind of the recommended. That way, depending on what you put on there, you have the flexibility. It's nice and strong. Once this panel is secured, I mean, it really is super durable.
Yep.
So now we're going to put the other 4 panels on after we do the screws in. Awesome, and once you put them on, you can build out your own wall system like you see behind me. If you'd like more information, go to acehardware.com, or better yet, stop by your local Ace Hardware store. Coming up next, my video on more about the pack-out system from Milwaukee.